Me and my now ex-boyfriend were driving down the Lodge Freeway coming from one of his friend's houses. We were both drinking, so he hit the median and the car rolled, and I wasn't wearing my seatbelt, so I flew out, and I flew about 20 feet and landed on my side.
When we got the call in the 1:30 in the morning, it was a parent's nightmare. We drove down the lodge to get to Henry Ford Hospital, which is where we found out she was. We had to drive by the scene of the accident, which was, the road was closed. They were treating it as a fatality.
Relieved to find out their daughter was alive, doctors would tell Joni and her husband that Julie had a traumatic brain injury and was permanently blind because of damage to her optic nerve.
God spoke to me. And when she was in the emergency room and the doctors were saying she's not going to live, and I could just feel God speak to me, and he said she's going to be okay.
After weeks of being between life and death, Julie was stable enough to be transferred to the Rehabilitation Institute of Michigan. When she first arrived, she wasn't able to walk. She was confused and disoriented from the brain injury. And similar to the phantom pain experienced by an amputee patient, Julie didn't even know she was blind because she saw images, figments of her imagination.
The people that worked there and my mom, they both kind of told me that we would work together to get my life back together. It was really a team atmosphere. The people there instilled it in my brain that I could do it, and so it made me have courage that I could get over this.
They're miracle workers.
I was just in my accident last year, and look how far I've come today. If you work at it, you can accomplish it. I never ask why, because I know that it must have happened for a reason, and it woke me up from a lot of things that were going on in my life. So in some ways I am appreciative of this accident happening to me, because my life, I feel, is so much better now. You can do it, really sticks in my head, because I can do it. I can do whatever I want.